Welcome to today's video on why applying essential oils to the soles of your feet can be beneficial. In this video, we will explore 5 reasons why using essential oils on your feet can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. So let's get started. Did you know that the pores on the soles of our feet are larger compared to the rest of our body? This means that when you apply essential oils to your feet, they can be quickly absorbed into your bloodstream. The larger pores act like straws, allowing the health-giving compounds in the oils to be sucked up and efficiently delivered into your body. This enables the essential oils to work their magic faster and more effectively. This skin on the soles of our feet is designed to withstand more abuse, making it less sensitive compared to other parts of our body. This lower sensitivity means that many people who might experience irritation when applying certain essential oils to other areas of their body often don't have any issues when they apply the same oils to their feet. It also allows for the direct application of undiluted essential oils, making it a suitable location for using hot oils like oregano or peppermint. Unlike other parts of our body, the soles of our feet do not have sebaceous glands. These glands produce sebum, which acts as a barrier and can impede the absorption of essential oils into the body. Since the soles of our feet lack sebum, they provide an ideal surface for applying essential oils, as there are no barriers hindering their absorption. According to the ancient practice of reflexology, every nerve line in the body ends in the feet. Reflexologists believe that specific areas of the feet correspond to various organs in the body. By applying essential oils to the feet, it is believed that these oils may have a stronger and more beneficial effect on the corresponding areas of the body. Scientific studies have shown that reflexology can have significant benefits, such as reducing anxiety, relieving pain, and alleviating premenstrual symptoms. Although it's challenging to provide a scientific explanation for this, there is a spiritual aspect to the practice of applying essential oils to the feet. Throughout history, ancient cultures revered the feet as an important part of the body in spiritual practices. The feet symbolize our connection to the earth, grounding us in the biosphere and representing our energetic ties to Mother Earth. Therefore, using essential oils on the soles of the feet can be seen as a way to honor and strengthen this connection. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like,